So how to change the color in Amigurumi. So I'm going to make one single crochet stitch, but I'm not going to finish it. I'm leaving these 2 loops on my hook and I bring in new color and pull it through both loops. And now I'll continue with single crochet stitches. So let's make one, and you can see a very lovely neat color change. And I've decided to hide the yarn ends right away so I don't have to do it later. So I'll crochet like this over the yarn ends, and I can cut now the yarn ends. And you can see, lovely. Thank you.